Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of day it is. I'm glad you're here. So this is a little different than what I've probably done before, but it was requested that I do this. So I'm going to do a little unboxing of some supplies that I got from Ranger. I bought these myself with my gift cards that I got for Christmas. So this was specifically gift cards that I got from Ranger, and I am very excited. So maybe I should just leave the box up here. I don't know. I took the bubble wrap out. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull everything out here really quick to make it a little easier to see everything, and then I will show you everything that I got because I'm pretty excited about some of this stuff. So one of the first things that I do when I use my things is I go to the sale area first, because you never know what's going to be on clearance or on sale on their website. So that's what I did to start with. So I got a couple distress markers. These were all in the clearance section, all 4 of these. So normally they're like, oh, I don't have it on here exactly what I got these for. They were only $1.75 each. Normally I think they're like $4 a piece, so that is a good deal. So I looked to see what they had, and these are distress markers. So I got them in Shabby Shutters. This is Dusty Concord. And then this one is Old Paper. And then Forest Moss. So these are the distress markers. You can use a water and things like that. So it's a dye ink. So yeah, but they're just distress markers. So I'm excited to try these out because I haven't gotten to try any of the distress markers before. So that was one of the clearance items that I got. Then I'll talk about the clearance stuff that I got first before I go on to other things. So these 2 were also on clearance, and these are Distress Mica Stain in Tart, Cranberry, and Fresh Balsam. So I am excited to get to use these. So there are some different colors than I've had before, because I have some other Distress Mica sprays in like the more metallic colors that I had gotten a while ago. So I got those 2. So I was pretty happy about that. And these also were on clearance, I think. I'm just looking at my sheet to see like what I had. Yes, these were $2 a piece. Normally, I want to say they're like $5.99, something like that. But yeah, so that's a little bit of a deal. So that's why I go to the sale section first, and I basically put things in my cart from there to start with. Then next I got 2 more lunar pastes. So I have a few colors of these already, and I decided to get a couple colors that will are very different from what I have. So I have this Tropical Tango already. I had Prom Queen, and I had Shooting Star. And these are like an iridescent, lovely like paste that is fantastic for stencils and things like that. So these are the 2 colors I got, kind of like an orangey color. This is called Roar. And then this one is called Clear Skies. So those 2 I also got. They were not, those were regular price as well. And these were $5.99 each. So these are my splurges. Like, this is what because I'll ask for Ranger gift cards for Christmas. That's normally what I do, because there's stuff that I need. There's stuff that I could use or I would like, and then I go from there. So I love my Distress Oxide sprays, and so I had to get some colors that I was running low on. So I started off with that. So these are each $5.99. So I was running low on a couple colors. So the colors that I needed to get, because I love aged mahogany. So I got the aged mahogany. And then my hickory smoke was running low as well. And then I got forest moss because it was something a little different than what I had, or else I was running low on that one. I don't remember. I wanted gathered twigs, but they didn't have any of that. So I went with frayed burlap, which is kind of like a greeny brown kind of situation. And so I got frayed burlap, and then forest moss because I like a good green. And then I also got rusty hinge. So to kind of have like a darker orange color, which I love. So those are exciting. I'm very happy to get those. And then this was my biggest splurge. So this was a bundle, and this was pretty expensive, but I think it will come in handy. So this was an entire archival set that all came together. So it comes in its storage tin, and this is nice for when I am traveling and things. And that's why I was like, you know what? I have a tin of other inks that I take with me regularly. So I thought this would be the most helpful for me when I'm going places. So these are archival inks, and they are this distress version. So I am excited. I'm gonna put them in here right away. So I got the archival inks in each one of these sets. Let me see, because this was a whole bundle. This was not an inexpensive bundle, but when you get the bundles like this, it tends to be a slightly better deal when you do it this way. And so they also open very nicely. I love that. And then what I will probably end up doing is putting, because I do this with all of mine, and I'm starting to run low on these little pads, but I put one of these underneath each one so that I can use them for things as well. So I put these right underneath, and then I can use them almost right away. So let's go like this with these friends. And then kind of a really good mix of colors in this bundle I'm pretty happy with, because I got some of their primary colors and then a few secondary colors that came in these, which is kind of nice. So there is a green. Okay, so I've got a green, I've got a red, I've got a yellow, and then I've got blue. So this is fantastic. So we have picked raspberry. Let's go like this. Barn door, picked raspberry, spiced marmalade, fossilized amber. Oh, that one doesn't want to fit in there very good. What's up? What's up, friend? Just something up with the plastic's a little warped there. And then peeled paint. And Mermaid Lagoon, faded jeans, and Dusty Concord. So this is fantastic. So now I can take these friends with me in my little art kits, and that is perfect. So maybe it kind of sits like this. It'll probably be like this on my work surface wherever I'm working. So that was my haul. So you guys probably want to know the price for this bundle. This was expensive, but this was a splurge. And remember, this was Christmas presents that I got. So normally I don't do this kind of stuff, and I do a lot of secondhand, but there are some things you just can't get secondhand. And I have wanted these inks for a long time. And this bundle was $51.96 on the Ranger website. So, yeah, I think it's worthwhile. I'm excited. And also black soot, ground espresso, vintage photo, and hickory smoke. So really good mix of colors that will go with just about anything too. So that is absolutely fantastic, and I'm super excited. So, and I know you guys won't see this right away, but I am so happy I got this package because we're leaving on our little trip for a few days tomorrow. So I'm glad this came because I wanted to be able to work on a few things while I am hanging out with friends at our hotel, being nerds. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know if you have any questions. If you enjoy these little unboxings that I do. If you'd rather not see them, I'm probably going to do them just to let you know. But I like to share the things that I am getting and what so you will see these products in future videos because I will definitely be trying them out and using them. You guys have seen me use my distress sprays. I'm going to be doing a bunch of that stuff. I love the lunar paste. And then these are going to be fun to play with. I'm especially excited about this red. So anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I hope everything's going well for you. And don't forget, art with your heart. Have a great day.